always any hurry.
Trillanes is accusing you of having deposits in your BPI Pesos account on March 28, 2014. Pero yung ano po, yung inyong certification is only for March 31, so a few days after. So meron po ba kayong any certification to show that on March 28, you never received this much money? And sir, kasi syempre, how do we know na you didn't withdraw all of that money before March 31, di ba?
Diba? Maliwa, ang problema nito, the premise of the question is that you're believing Trillanes. Wala nga eh.
Sir, kaya nga, I'm asking you to disprove it.
Ayaw nga mag-certificate ang bangko kasi non-existent. Bakit mo sila Di, takutin mo yung lahat ng depositor kung ganun. Kita mo, nawala na sila ng depositor, pati si Robin Padilla. Maganda ba yan?
Yes, sir, but you were able to get a March 31 deposit. So how hard could it have been to get a March 28?
Nakakuha ako ng certification because it is true. I cannot tell the bank to issue a certification na wala. Ano ka man? Do you understand that?
So, sir, you never had any deposits on March 28?
Sinabi, dinala ko nga lahat eh. You cannot ask from anybody, uy, mag-certify ka na wala kang pera. Who do that? Lalo ng bank. Do you understand banking rules? How can you certify a bank account na wala?
Anyway, sir,
para silang gago.
Okay, well, your reply does not satisfy me, but second question,
Ginagawa
sir.
mo silang uto-uto kung ganon. And the bank will not allow that. Ano ka man?
Sir, malabo pa rin. Okay, second question, sir.
Ay, ayoko na sa iyo.
Sir, sige na. Last question. Last question.
Hindi, kaibigan ko to.
Sir, kasi sabi
Sana yan sa biro.
sige.
Kinakarga kong ito pag...
Sir, i-admit niyo po dun sa show ni Pastor Kibuloy that you accepted properties and cars from him. Yes. So, sir, wait lang. So, sir, are you cognizant of the fact that you could be accused of graft because Kibuloy is also a businessman in Davao City and you were mayor at the time he was a businessman?
Oh, what? What was his business?
Sir, yung kanyang garden resort, tas yung may school siya, di ba? Tas sir, may media outfit. Sir, marami siyang mga
You
business.
do not... Pia, it is only when you have a transaction. You are bidding for somebody to build a building or the city is going to open a bid for sa train, ganon. City, wala akong pakialam dyan. Kasi yung school niya, Inday, Pia, Department of Education yan. He does not deal with me. Hindi lahat. Yung aeroplano niya, he deals with the national government. So kung makinig ka kay Trillanos, para ka talagang buwak.
But sir,
yun ang garbage na yun.
But sir, you just said that you would use his planes when you're president, which means you're already a national government, and you will still be accepting favors from him. So I just want to know, sir, has he made any demands on you? If you are president, will he require you to do? Will he have strings attached on you? What's your stance on that?
What strings? What possible? I want to know now. What possible strings?
I don't know, sir. Has he made any demands?
I will not answer the question.
Yes, sir. Has he made any demands? I wouldn't know if he's made any demands on
Pia
you.
will allow others to ask questions.
Last, ito na yung, just answering.
Well, wala mang demands. Hindi man ako babae. What will you demand of me? Because that is a silly question. I'll give you a silly answer. Anong i-demand niya? Kaibigan ko yan. When I was a prosecutor, tinutulungan ko na yan siya. He had a kapilya, only about 14 people. At maraming NPA doon.